I get asked all the time why I chose to be a lawyer, and it's because I don't come from a long lineage of lawyers. In fact, there aren't any in my family. But I did grow up in Houston, Texas, which is a place which is surrounded by these larger-than-life trial lawyers with these larger-than-life extraordinary cases which spin these extraordinary stories. And as a young man, I began reading the books of Racehorse Haynes and Percy Foreman and Joe Jamel, and I remember in particular an old story about a Racehorse Haynes case where he's defending a guy for murder, and sure enough wins an acquittal, and at the end of the case, Racehorse gets up to the court and says, my client would like to address the court and the jury, and he stands up and he says, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for your service, and I promise I will never ever do it again. And it was just stories like that I thought, that is an exciting profession, and I think it's something that I would have fun doing and could be good for my clients. Even the account of Leon Jaworski prosecuting the Watergate case was just fascinating to me, another guy from Texas. In terms of the particular field within the law that I've grown passionate about, and it's been an evolution in something that I probably never predicted or could have predicted when I was in law school, and that's personal injury cases and catastrophic injury. I realized after I started doing these cases a few years ago that apart from maybe a doctor or a preacher, a lawyer who takes on one of those cases is in the unique position of being able to pick someone off the ground in their worst and most vulnerable time after something that's just horrific has happened to them or their family, usually through no fault of their own. And we're able to turn that around and achieve a favorable result for them, which can, forever have a dramatic and positive impact on their life. And so that's what I'm passionate about doing, and I hope, God willing, that I'll be able to do it for years to come with this firm, and we'll continue to provide a service to victims of accidents in the North Dallas area and in Collin County.